Alright, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another install video. Today we're going to show you guys how to install our new chain tensioner kit for the Predator gas motor. Our chain tensioner kit is designed for the base model Predator motors, but in this video we'll be installing it on the Ghost motor. Please note that the kit includes all the necessary hardware for the base model Predator motor. But if you're installing this on a Ghost motor, you'll need to purchase additional hardware. So here's what you need to purchase for the Ghost motor. You'll need to purchase two 5/16-24 bolts, 1 inch in length, and also you need to purchase two 3/8 nuts to use as a spacer for the 5/16 bolts. If you're installing this on the base model Predator motor, you can use all the included hardware and it will work as is. So let's dive in with the installation process. So you're going to start off by taking the long M8 bolt and inserting it into the end of the bracket. So the next step is you need to pop off one of the bearings. What we did is we used a longer Allen wrench and pushed it from the inside to pop it out. Once you get the bearing popped out, you can insert the two small spacers inside the roller and then reinstall the bearing back onto the roller. The next step is you're going to grab a washer along with the roller and insert it into the M8 bolt, and then add another washer and secure it with the nut. Then grab a 10mm and 12mm wrench to tighten down the bolt and nut. Now let's move on to the engine. First, remove the bolt and slide the clutch off. To use the chain tensioner, you will need to flip the clutch. You may need to use washers to create space. For our setup, we use two inner washers to space the clutch away from the frame. When you bolt the clutch back on, you may need to stack some washers to secure it firmly without any play. After you got the clutch on, you're going to need to align the bigger sprocket to the small sprocket. And then go ahead and tighten down the big sprocket. After you got the sprockets aligned, you can start installing the chain. We're not going to show you guys how to do it in this video, but you can watch our previous install video when we installed the gas motor. After you install the chain, you can add some tension to the chain by shifting the motor back and resecuring the engine. Now it's time to install the chain tensioner to the engine. In the next process, this is only for the Ghost Predator motor. For the Ghost Predator motor, you will need to use the nut washer to space out the bracket away from the frame. If you have a base model Predator engine, you can just secure it directly onto the engine with the provided hardware. Now it's time to hand thread the bolts in and add some tension with the tensioner bracket. So to add tension, you just push down the bracket into the chain to add tension and secure the bolts with a 13mm socket or wrench. After you got the bolts secured, you are complete with this tensioner bracket kit install. Now, please note that the chain will stretch over time, and if you want to add more tension to the chain, all you got to do is loosen the bolt and push down the bracket towards the chain to add more tension and tighten it back, and you're good to go. Thanks guys for tuning into another install video. If you guys are interested in your own chain tensioner bracket kit, it is now available on our website at www.batero.com. And if you guys haven't picked up your drift carts yet, be sure to check out the links in the description below. We'll also have all the parts that we use in this video. And as well, if you guys have any questions or comments, be sure to hit the comment section down below and mash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.